Okay, this video is asking us to find the slope between points 3, 4 and -1, -2. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it with the slope equation. Now, the slope equation should look really familiar because you did it a lot in Algebra 1. Slope is the change in y, so y2 minus y1, over the change in x, x2 minus x1. Now, you may also remember that slope is rise over run. In the next video, we're going to look at slope of a graph, of a line that's graphed, and we're going to talk about rise over run a little bit more. For this video, we're going to talk about the equation. All right, so anytime I'm trying to plug points into an equation like this, I label my points so that I make sure I don't put stuff in the wrong place. So if this is point 1, it's x1 and y1. If this is point 2, it's x2 and y2. All right, and so now I just plug all that into my slope equation. So y2 minus y1 will be -2 minus 4. So -2 minus 4. And x2 minus x1 will be -1 minus 3. -1 minus 3. And now I just simplify. -2 minus 4 is -6. And -1 minus 3 is -4. Now, if you stop right there, you're not going to see this as one of your answer choices because this slope has not been simplified. To simplify this slope, you can just type it into your calculator. You can type -6 divided by -4, math, enter, and it will change it to a reduced fraction for you. Or you might know that a negative over a negative is a positive, and that 6 over 4, those are both divisible by 2, will reduce to 3 over 2. So you could either have reduced it in your head like I just did, or feel free to type it into your calculator. And the way you would do that again is you would do -6 divided by -4. You would hit the math button, and then you'll hit enter twice because the first option up there says something along these lines. It basically says, I want to change what I just typed into a reduced fraction, and it will spit out something that looks like this. And 3 over 2 is the same thing as 3 over 2.